I'm Ethan reporting live from Sakatinubu or Oshodi, somewhere I could get hurt. Yeah, I'd never do that job. Reporters are very brave. Have you seen those reporters? They stand there and the wind is blowing. It's a tornado and wind. No, death wish, death wish. I digress. Hey guys, welcome to Split. This is a quick unboxing for the MoveLink M2 by Godox. If you've never heard of them, well, they're there. Just Google it, you figure it out. They're going up against companies like Rode Go Wireless 2, and that's a really good microphone, but it does have some advantages over that, and it is cheaper. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to give you at least decent or near par quality, this would be something you need to consider. So let's get into the box and see what it comes with. So these are neck microphones, as some people refer to them, or wireless lav mics. And the trend is moving that way because they are convenient to move around. They stay on their own. Unlike the Rode Go 2 that records into the box itself, this requires the transmitter to record into the source itself. So that's already one comparison to keep in mind when we're looking at this microphone. So this is called the MoveLink M2. The M2 means this package comes with two transmitters and not one. The M1 means one transmitter, one receiver. M2 means that's it. So it's not really a technical name for the product. It's just really a bundling name, just to keep that in mind. And they sort of clarified what's written there. Sliding out the box, decent presentation. Let's see, okay, there it is. Opening up the top, you get a microfiber cloth with an inscription that I don't care about. You get the Godox box itself, the container. It's really nice box with, oh, it's magnetic. Cool. And it houses the 3 units, 2 microphones, 1 receiver. We'll talk a bit more about this later. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh yeah, and it has a USB-C charger. So the cool thing, and that's another cool feature, you can charge all of them at once in comparison to the I'm going to mention the Rode Go 2 a lot because that's something you're going to forfeit if you're considering this. The Rode Go 2 doesn't do that, doesn't have this case as well. Something to consider. What else? You have your paperwork, which you can read at your own time. You have, okay, let's look at the black box. So we'll get there. In the black box, you have a strap-on, sounded weird, to hold the case for easy carrying. All right, put that aside. You have, what else is in here? All right, you have a 1-to-1 TRS cable, basically 3.5mm jack for transmitter to camera. Put that aside. You have another one for transmitter to phone. I don't know the color, but I think they're the same thing, but this is the one they claim is for the phone. This is the one they claim is for the camera. I guess just looks bigger and smaller. You have a wired lav mic for a situation where you don't need to do a wireless, I know it feels counterintuitive that you bought the wireless one, but there are situations where a wired lav mic will become critical, and they put that in the box, so that's pretty convenient. You're not going to get this with the Rode Go, by the way. Again, another comparison to consider. You get USB-C charging cable to charge the whole thing, not 1, not 2, but 3. I did mention that yes, you can charge all of them with one cable, but there are situations where you may have just been using one and you need to charge the other, and you don't want to charge them all in one box. They've made the convenience of you can be charging one while you're away in a different spot or something. But I think that's really nice of them to include that in the box. So good on you, Godox. And then you get a second lavalier mic. Again, 2 of those to match your 2 microphone transmitters. Is there anything else in here? Yes, you get magnetic clips. So these help you attach the microphone without using the clip that is on the side of the microphone. That way you can just put this in front and put the clip behind, and it just hangs there. If you need to hide it behind a piece of cloth or your t-shirt or something, this will help you get that done, which is pretty good. Okay, what else in the box? You have stuff you should not eat ever. Silica gel. And then you have 2 dead cats, as some sad people call them. Who invented that term, dead cat? Who wants to kill a cat and use the fur for microphone wind guard? Anyway, moving on. So these things are wind guards. Yeah, let's call them wind guards. When you're outside and the wind is blowing, you clip them on there, and it'll prevent that noise and give you clean audio. They do seem a bit big though in comparison to when I looked at the Rode version. Yeah, it's a lot. It'd be hard to miss, I guess, with this on your shirt, but it works. So you're gonna have to figure out how to camouflage that. And that's what's in that box. So if you put that aside, okay, so the bundle I bought also came with this handheld adapter for a handheld microphone. So let's just unbox that before we go back to the main units themselves. Okay, so in this box, that's it. You have the unit itself. And if I rip this, I get that. So if you want to feel like a news reporter, or you need to have where you're interviewing someone on the street, or one of those situations that requires you to hand the mic to someone to record, this would be it. So the wind guard comes right off, and one of the microphones, if we pop one open here, see it clip? They should sit in here conveniently, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. See? And now you could be Gale Weathers, or someone that doesn't die in a TV show. Hi, Ethan, reporting live. I think it's really cool. I think it's pretty convenient. Okay, and that's really everything you have in this pack. The charging case, like I said, is really convenient. Helps you carry this around, not a problem. I will do a full review, test distance, see how clear the audio is, see how fast it takes to charge, yada yada blah blah, and then probably do a comparison with the Rode Go if they let me have it. My friend has one, but if not, I'll just do all the technicalities and present them to you so you can make your choice. Keep in mind, this is almost $200 or $180 cheaper than the Rode Go 2. This is just about $200, about $190, depending on where you buy it. You may get a good deal and get it for less. Like I got a great bundle that comes with everything that comes in here, and it was under $200. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. I will do the full review in no time because I need this for work, and I'll get back to you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Perfect.